Hello. Many students lose marks on simple algebra equations, just like this one. Let's see if you can solve it before I do. Pause the video and try solving it yourself. Our goal is to find the value of x. To find the value of x, we must isolate x on both sides of the equation. So our step one is to remove the constant. The equation is 3x plus 5 equal to 20. So we subtract 5 from both sides. So we have 3x plus 5 minus 5 equal to 20 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So we have 3x equal to 20 minus 5 is 15. That is our step one. We just subtracted 5 from both sides to remove the constant, and we have this. Step 2 is to solve for x. Now we divide both sides by 3. So we have 3x over 3, 15 over 3. So 3, we cancel 3. So we have x equal to 3 divided by 15, or 15 divided by 3 is 5. So our answer is x equal to 5. Now, if you want to do a quick check to see if you are correct, you substitute x equal to 5 back into the equation. So if x is 5, so we have 3 times x is 5, so times 5 plus 5 equal to 20. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 5 equal to 20. 15 plus 5 is 20 equal to 20. Since both sides are equal, it means that our solution is correct. The key idea in solving algebra equation is to isolate the variable step by step using inverse equations. Did you get the correct answer? Comment 5 below. Subscribe to this channel for more math and physics videos. Thank you.